My name is Brian, and I'm interning as a manufacturing engineer in the catheter manufacturing department located in Colorado Springs. Throughout the summer, I worked on a number of different projects, and I spent a lot of my time down here in the Process Innovation Center, where I built the funnel extension for one of the injection molds on the floor. What I did is I designed this white part that snaps on to the funnel and keeps pellets from escaping and bouncing all over the clean room floor. I headed up process development to try and figure out why the fuse kept leaking. I researched materials, did design experiments, and even did root cause analysis to go through and figure out what the issue was. I got to be a part of a lot of different projects, and I even got to interact with both engineers and actual operators on the clean room production floor. Thank you.